Hello guys, welcome back. This is 2002 GMC Sierra 1500 5.3. I believe the other ones are the same, but we're gonna learn how to replace the lower radiator hose, which is that one right there. I don't think you guys can see, but there's this one over here, the thick one. So I only got one hand. So what you're gonna do, you have to take one, two, three screws. The filter, you're gonna take it out. You're gonna take this clip out. You just push this tab over here and just pull it. It's kind of hard. You're gonna need two hands. So then you're gonna take this guy over here. There's bracket right here. This bracket over here. I mean, you could do it right there, but it's extremely hard, and you're gonna have to use I like to use the channel lock by pliers, just like the ones I have over here. So this is what I used for those clamps, hose clamps, and you're gonna open your water tank reservoir, or whatever you call it. But the car needs to be at least 1 hour before you, the car needs to be off for like 1 hour before you start working on this, because this is gonna be hot, and the antifreeze in there is gonna be hot too. So that's what you do. I mean, I didn't really drain this radiator first. Before, all I did is just open this cap right here, and I literally just went down there and opened that bracket right there. The clamp right there with my pair of pliers, and I put a container like this guy. I'm not gonna do it. I'm not gonna actually do it on the video because it's extremely hard to do it with one hand, because I'm recording with the cell phone. So yeah. So the way you take it out, I already did it, but the way you take it out, well, my thing was about to burst. So you kind of wiggle it back and forth. Once you already took the clamp, and you move it out of the way, or you could just press the two ends of the clamp and pull it out, but wiggle a little bit. Not being so rough, because you could break the connection where it connects to the radiator right there. So I kind of did that one first, this end first. Then I waited until the antifreeze was draining. So once I did that, and I went ahead and replaced the hose, it was extremely easy, I will say. So once you do that, you're gonna need a funnel to reuse the antifreeze. If you want, you're gonna reuse it or not reuse it. All depends on you. So, and you're gonna need a container, empty container like this, and you're gonna need a old, in my case I just say old shirt, so something like that. And you're gonna filter all the antifreeze if you're gonna reuse it. If not, just you still gotta put it in a bottle like that, because you gotta turn it to recycling station like Walmart or AutoZone. I don't know, whatever you want to do it. So you do it like this, and then it'll clean it. So okay, so once you already have all that stuff, you're gonna have to, once you already put the hose, right, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna go ahead and pour the antifreeze in here. But before that you're gonna have, oh, I forgot to mention the hard part was, you're gonna believe this, but this was the hard part, taking out this piece out of the way. What you're gonna do, take this off, you know, I mean the bracket, the bracket over here, the clamp, big clamp. So once you take out that, take out this guy out of the way. Then when you take out this one, you're gonna pull it up here, and that one's gonna be loose already because you already lose it. So move this thing out of the way a little bit, and you just lift it up, and it'll come out. It'll come out easily. Then, so you're ready to put everything back. So we're gonna pour antifreeze in here. Then you're gonna go to the other end, like so. What you're gonna do next, you're gonna kick this clamp back all the way over here. I mean, not all the way, but at least away from this guy. So what I did here is just a screwdriver. So you're gonna open it. Why? Because when you fill the antifreeze, all the air, all the bubble airs need to come out, and this is the way you get rid of them. So all the air bubbles need to come out. So this is how you do it. What I did is basically, it's just skizzing a little bit right there. That's all the way off. So you put a little screwdriver right there. Or if you have something that you can stick in there, just do it like that. So it breathes a little bit. So right there is breathing a little bit. So yeah, when you're filling that side over there, this needs to start dripping a little bit. So if you have a helper, get a helper. If not, just be careful, and remember not to overfill the container. Before that, I mean, to make sure you do everything right, you gotta weigh at least, like, maybe before you drive it, I mean, you gotta do like a 10-minute test. I mean, like right in here, make sure nothing's leaking in here. And also you're gonna go inside your truck and make sure it doesn't get too hot. All right, so right there. So yeah, well, that will be it, guys. Thank you very much. Bye. I forgot to mention something actually. I have a new antifreeze that I'm gonna add a little bit. So my antifreeze is green, but it says on the bottle you can mix with any color. So I've been doing it for like with all my cars for like almost 10 years, and I never had any problem. But if you guys think that I'm doing it wrong, leave a comment down below on the description, I mean on the comments. Well, thank you very much. Bye. Alright guys, so I had a problem. So my truck was it wasn't overheating. It was not overheating all the way, but the gauge over here was kind of on the 1, 2, 3, and on the third quarter of the gauge panel, or whatever you call the cluster. So I turned off right away, and then I went up here. I kind of opened this up a little bit, and then close that one over there. No, I lie. No, yeah. I close this guy. I open that one a little bit, and I kind of squeeze that one, the bottom one, on a little bit. So after that, then I started it again, and I opened that for a little bit. I mean, I was waiting until it wasn't hot, and then it went down a little bit. So I started again, and it wasn't overheating no more. So this truck has been running for about 30, 40 minutes, 45 minutes, and then now it's doing fine. So I think I got it this time. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Alright, bye.